If you are going to build a dehumidifier that is optimized to work in growing conditions, there are 6 key components that you have to put in there or you're not going to be successful with your build. First thing that you're going to want is a TXV valve on your dehumidifier. As your temperature level changes inside of your growing world, the needs for dehumidification are going to change. A TXV valve is designed to ensure that as the temperature changes, the amount of refrigeration changes to get you the maximum amount of dehumidification possible out of your dehumidifier. Next, you're going to want a scroll compressor. A scroll compressor is the same type of compressor that is used on some of the finest and highest quality air conditioning systems in the world. It has far fewer moving parts and is far more efficient than standard industry compressors. With your scroll compressor, you're going to want a crankcase heater. There is nothing more important than ensuring that a dehumidifier turns on and gets to capacity right away. The longer a dehumidifier takes to get capacity, the more energy it's wasting. A crankcase heater ensures that the refrigerant moving through the refrigeration system is in its gas form, providing you with the fastest startup time and the quickest time to dehumidification. At the heart and soul of any dehumidifier is its coil. And everything that moves through the air in your growing space comes across that coil at some point. And if something goes wrong with your dehumidifier's coil, your dehumidifier loses capacity and fails to do its job. And in order to ensure that your coil is protected, we use an electrofin coating on every coil and every Anden Grow optimized dehumidifier, protecting your dehumidifier against corrosion. A dehumidifier cannot operate unless air is moving across that coil. In order to ensure that air is always moving across the coil at the CFM needed to get the most pints per day out of your dehumidifier, we use an ECM blower, which will automatically adjust as the filter on a dehumidifier becomes more loaded with particulate, or as you attach your dehumidifier to ductwork to ensure that we are always delivering the right amount of air across the coil, giving you the most amount of pints per day out of your dehumidifier. A dehumidifier is only as good as the control that it is using to run. Our dehumidifier controls have an accuracy of 1.5%, over double the accuracy of the competition. All 6 of those components are unique to Anden dehumidifiers. No other dehumidifier in the industry today is being built with those components.